Hey there, future financial wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics like saving for education into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to open a JP Morgan 529 plan. If you're a parent, guardian, or anyone looking to invest in someone's educational future, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's a 529 plan? It's a smart, tax-advantaged savings account specifically designed for education expenses, like college tuition, books, or even room and board. The best part? Earnings grow tax-free when used for qualified costs. And why choose JP Morgan? They're a trusted name in finance, offering low fees, diverse investment options, and user-friendly tools to help you track your progress. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Do your homework. Visit the JP Morgan website or use their app to explore 529 plans. Understand the types available, like education savings plans or prepaid tuition options, and check if you meet eligibility requirements. Typically, you need to be a U.S. resident and have a beneficiary under 18. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll need personal information, like your social security number, the beneficiary's details, and possibly some ID verification. This ensures everything is secure and compliant. Step 3. Open the account. Head to the JP Morgan website, create an account if you don't have one, and follow the straightforward application process. It usually takes just a few minutes online. You'll select your investment options based on your risk tolerance and goals, think stocks, bonds, or target date funds. Once approved, Step 4. Fund your account. You can start with as little as $15 through automatic transfers, or make a lump sum deposit. Set up contributions from your bank account for easy, ongoing savings. Finally, monitor and adjust. Log in regularly to track your investments and make changes as needed. Remember, it's wise to consult a financial advisor to tailor this to your situation. There you have it. Opening a JP Morgan 529 plan is easier than you think and could set you up for educational success. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build a brighter future together. Thanks for watching.